Hello everyone, welcome. Today is a really special day. Welcome to Crafted by Italian. We start this new adventure with doing a little unboxing of some tools that we will need to start the new adventure. We will start with the unboxing of some tools and begin to build our background from where our adventure will start. Let's begin, Ayan. You have already tasted the first unboxing and the first test of the first tool that we use to apply the base coat, let's say, which is the foundation of everything, and will also be used to color the various furniture. We will make those to be painted. Now let's proceed with the first one, which is the most important vacuum cleaner that will be used to keep this garage clean, and especially to attach to the tools to suck up all the dust that will be created. Cutter, always useful. Suction tube. To jedinne, to 2 meters. Obviously, all these tools you see are battery operated, except for the table saw, which will use the garage's electricity to avoid unnecessary cables. Voila, vacuum cleaner.